Hi, my name's Jordan Brockler. I'm 22 years old. I'm a senior psychology major from Lexington, Ohio. I'm the first person in my family to try to complete a 4-year college degree. I chose Ohio State Mansfield because I wanted to figure out what I was doing career-wise before I moved away to a bigger university away from home. I found a place where I could conduct groundbreaking research on narcissism with expert faculty. Narcissism. That means I'm studying people who are very self-absorbed. I'm working on that research here in Mansfield, and I'm also taking classes on the Columbus campus. What I love about commuting down to the Columbus campus is that I feel like a true Buckeye. I feel just as welcome down there as I do here in Mansfield. One of the unique research experiences that I've had here at Ohio State was I got to travel across the country with my professor to present our research. I would say that it's great to get acclimated to college life here at a smaller campus, and you'll never know what great opportunities it'll open up for you. It's an amazing Ohio State academic experience.